In this video, we're going to explore a mobile-specific development feature. So as you can see, we're currently in the app development area, and today we're going to focus on the transition between various screens. For this to happen, we need there to be an element in the layout that links to another page. In this case, we've got a list of albums, and each of these items links to a detail page specific to the disk that is clicked. So I'm going to select this flex item element that has a link. All you have to do is come here to the data panel, and you can see that there is a link to the corresponding detail page, releases. Down here, we have selected this option, which will allow us to open the detail page in a new window. This also allows us to create a back button to the home page. Down here, we can explore various different transitions. There are transitions to move to the left, to the right, to float on top or at the bottom, fade and slide transitions, and many more. So as we can see, it's very easy to create a transition between screens, making your app more dynamic.